Ms. Sarah Ofori and Ms. Mavis Ofori-Champon of the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation have been honored at the Merck Foundation Media Recognition Awards 2023. They were recognized for their exceptional reporting on diabetes and hypertension, as well as fertility issues and gender-based violence and girl-child education.
The Merck Foundation Awards 2023, which was organized in collaboration with Ghana's First Lady Rebecca Akufo-Addo, recognizes the significance of partnership and collective action in addressing pressing challenges facing women and girls across Africa. Mavis Ofori-Champon of GBC News was honored for the Merck Foundation Africa Media Recognition More Than a Mother Awards 2023 for addressing child-based violence and supporting girl-child education. Sarah Ofori won the award for Merck Foundation Africa Media Recognition, Diabetes and Hypertension Awards 2023. The Chief Executive of Merck Foundation, Dr. Rasha Kelej, expressed her pride in the Ghanaian journalists' achievements, commending them for their efforts to educate their communities through their exceptional reporting on sensitive issues.
Healthcare capacity building and the education, especially educating girls, are very important for the social and economic development of the country and for all Africa.
The First Lady, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, congratulated the award winners from the media for being the voice of the voiceless.
This media collaboration has expanded awareness of key social issues in Ghana. As a lover of the arts, I am encouraged by Merck Foundation's More Than a Mother and Promoting Healthy Lifestyle awards for musicians, fashion designers, filmmakers, students, and potential talents in these fields. These awards have promoted the discussion of critical social issues and given young people the opportunity to showcase their talents.
The two award recipients from GBC, Sarah Ofori and Mavis Ofori-Champon, felt encouraged to do more.
I'm honored to be recognized by the Merck Foundation and the First Lady of the Republic of Ghana. I appreciate it so much.
This is a huge privilege given me by Merck Awards, and I do not take it for granted at all. Thank the newsroom for giving me the opportunity to stand on GBC's platform to win this award.
The theme for the More Than a Mother Awards is Raise Awareness on Ending Child Marriage, Ending Female Genital Mutilations, and Stopping Gender-Based Violence at all levels, while the theme for Diabetes and Hypertension Awards is Promoting a Healthy Lifestyle and Raising Awareness about Prevention and Early Detection of Diabetes and Hypertension in African countries.